Boom, what's up guys? Welcome to the beautiful sweet outdoors here at Blue Cypress Lake. We have a special treat for you. I'm a little nervous about this myself because it's something I've never tried, something I've never eaten. So this ought to be interesting. That, my friend, is a deer heart. We are fixing to clean that bad boy up, slice it up, and cook it, and taste it. A little worried here. Wish me luck. Alright, I'm probably going to butcher this thing pretty dang good because, well, I've never done this. So, I watched a couple videos and it looked pretty easy. The guy just kind of filleted it out like this. I'm using the BPS on this bad boy. As you can see, she is razor sharp. Go. Kind of open it up there a little bit. Okay, he cut this piece out like this. We're gonna eat this as well. It's not garbage, it's just another piece. Try to get some of this white gristle off of here. See if the fishies like it. Maybe we'll save some of these smaller pieces for the catfish. Yeah, we want to get all these little veins and stuff out. It looks like a really lean piece of steak. So we will see for sure. I definitely think we might be on some catfish bait though. So now I was told that this need to trim this stuff off as best as possible. Which all it does is make it chewy, he said. So let me clean this up and we'll bring you back. Alright, we got her cleaned up. Now we're just getting it sliced up. And we're going to saute it in a pan with peppers, onions, and mushrooms, bourbon infused pepper, and salt. And see how it comes out. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm actually getting excited about trying this because it looks like a really nice piece of steak. So let me finish her up and I'll bring y'all back when we cook. Alright guys, here we are. Let's see. That's a little better light. Okay, here's our deer heart. Salt, pepper, got some mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. So first thing we're going to do, we got our skillet heating up. We're going to go ahead and start generally seasoning our heart with our bourbon infused pepper. I don't want to put a lot of different seasonings on here because I want to taste what we've got. I want to taste the actual meat, and I feel that this is the best way. And we'll add more to taste as it cooks. Get you a little better angle here. Now some salt. That ought to be good. Okay. Just bear with me, guys. Let's take a momentary timeout. All right. First, we're going to add our peppers and onions. This stove ain't getting too hot. We'll go ahead and add a handful of mushrooms. We'll add a handful more. And a handful more. There we go. And we will go ahead and season these as well. I'll bring you back when we add the meat. Alright, our peppers and onions and mushrooms are ready for the star of the show. Deer heart. Philip, this better be good, brother. I am trusting you. It is smelling delicious, I can tell you that. Stick around, people. Oh, there it is, guys.
In between
Got some heart.
got some good pork chops coming.
Got some deer heart, some mushrooms, peppers, and onions. Here goes nothing. All right, guys, here we go. We are going to try. Yeah, I think so. Deer heart. Very first time.
You just want me to bring this to your can't reach the top.
Well, the smell test is good.
Smells like regular meat, yeah.
Yeah,
Don't appetite.
You see how many eyelets
there we
there
go.
Oh, I know. Right.
are.
Yeah.
Extremely tender.
Good.
I just saw
I like
a thing on Bill Dance on Facebook.
Not bad.
He goes, come on, you know that you
Okay, Philip, I've been missing out.
spot, you get the pole, you put new line on,
Pretty good.
you bring it all
It's
up,
very,
you
very,
tie
very
on
similar to
your
stew meat.
favorite bait, the great, and then you look and you miss the damn eyelet.
Yeah. Especially on one like this.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. All right, guys.
Call that I win. There's something missing now. I didn't grab the beer.
I got mine. There it is. Deer heart. First time cooking, cleaning, trying. Very good. Very good. Do me a favor. Go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification button. Check us out on Facebook and TikTok, The Sweet Outdoors. It's lunchtime, guys. See ya. Be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.